So the truth of the matter is, I once gave this talk in University of Michigan in Lansing, and someone there who was a very militant, anti-teaching creationism said to me, that's offensive to say that God created an old world to deceive us. Why would God want to deceive us? So my response to him was, do you know what the word world in Hebrew is? I don't know if he remembered, or he knew it or not, but it's Olam. Do you know what the root of the word Olam means? Concealed. The universe was created by God to conceal His presence and His purpose, so that we discover it through our own intellect, our own emotions, and our own actions. So the very definition of existence is that God created something that appears one way, but is really something else completely. And we have to discover and find the truth.